and this is also a part of the 100 days of code challenge. Okay, so today what I'm going to do, I'm going to create a very simple and very beautiful strawberry site, strawberry company site like this is the site which I'm going to prepare, and it is very good looking one page site, and maybe used by some strawberry companies. Okay, so what is there? So this all is there, beautiful images and all are there. These are placed at the right place, beautiful menu bar is there, and nav bar is there, and there is a good hover effect also. See this hover effect, this is a very cool hover effect here, and this button is also quite good looking, and this social media icons have also a hover effect, like they become big. Okay, so this have also gives the cool effect. So let's get started in creating it. Okay, so I have an empty folder, okay, like this, and in this index.html I'll do, and style.css I will do. So index.html, let's do it, and tab, so it will be done like this. Let me increase the font size a bit. Strawberry site, let me write this link css. Let me close this now, and let me go back. Okay, there is one more thing. There will be a images folder which you can take from the end, there is the app and in the GitHub link, so the images already are there. So let me do the images folder, and reveal in file explorer images, and let me copy it. Okay, so the images are done and all the images are there. Okay, so let's get started after that. Okay, so we will start, and the first thing which we are going to do is the navbar. So let's do that. Dot hero dot navbar image src images logo dot png and logo. Okay, so let me save it. Okay, now let me start it with the live server. So I am starting it with the live server. So the live server is after, and my logo has been shown. Okay, so now let us give the styling a bit, and okay, and let introduce Google font again. So Google font is something which I use in every project, so let me use this. Is it Google fonts? And we'll this time we'll use some new font which is known as dosis. I'll go and I will pick 400, 500, 700. Go to import and select it, paste it, save it, and star. As usual, margin is 0, padding is 0, and font family is losses and serif. Okay, so that is there. Now we will do this hero width is of 80%, margin is of auto, close this, width is of 80% and margin is of auto. So it had come in the center, and dot navbar margin 30 px auto, and display is flex, and align items is center. Save it. Nothing much will become because we don't have anything else. Okay, so let us have those menu things. So this menu, all these things. So let us have that. So this navbar is there, and this images is this. So after this images only, we'll have a unordered list. So this is how generally navbars are made. With unordered list, we make it and then give allied and list style type none. So this is how we make it. Okay. So li we will make ul unordered list li into 3. So this is a shortcut. You should learn li into 3, and greater than a I will give, and then I will press the tab. See what will happen. 3 li tags will be created, and inside that 3 a tags will be created. And see the mouse, the pointer is there, not the mouse, the pointer. So directly I'm not even touching the mouse right now. I'm giving the hash, and then I will press the tab. It will go to the next one. So this is how efficiency has been done. Okay, and then hash about hash contact. Okay, so this is the hash contact. Save it, and then it will be coming like this. Okay, so we have to fix a lot of things here. Okay, so we are going to use flexbox a lot in this project, and then navbar is there, then ul flex of 1 1 auto. So what we are using here, we're using the long form. Okay, and because navbar is a flex. Okay, navbar is a flex and ul is coming inside it. Okay, so this is a children, this is the first children, this is the second children. So that's why we can give the individual property. Okay, text align is not left, text align is right. Save it. See, now it has moved the right position. So but we'll fix it by inline block. Okay, so ul li display not inline block list style none, and margin is 0.25 px. Save it and see, now it has been quite cool. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is the anchor tag. So ul li a text decoration is none, text transform is uppercase, and color is black, padding is 0.10 px, and so save it and see, it is looking almost perfect. But we make a position relative. Why we are making position relative? That is for a reason. We're going to have an after tag, and that underline which is coming here. If I come here, see the underline, this hovering effect, we have to do it from there. Okay, so we have to use some absolute thing. So whenever we want to use some absolute, we have to make the parent as a relative. So we have made the parent relative. Want to learn more about position relative, in my channel there is videos about that. You can look for that. Okay, ul li a after a after, and content is like width is of 0, width let me keep it 100% first. Okay, so what we are doing, height is of 10px. So in that after tag I'm doing, okay, height is of 10px, background is of hash f14a60, position is of absolute, and left is of 50%. Okay, transform, translate, translate x is of 50% again, and let me show this much only. See, it is coming there. Okay, so it is coming there. Now we have to move it a bit more down, and top is of 18px. Let's make some transition also, transition, because we are going to use that. Okay, transition is of 0.5 sec. Save it. See, now it is at a correct place, but now we want it at the hover effects. How do you do that? And width is 100%. The first thing which we are going to do is going to make the width as, so this is a cool trick which you should know. Width as 0, so it is gone. Okay, so now what we are going to do, this ul li a, because anchor tag only the hover is there, hover, and after tag, so after tag the hover is there, and it will be width of 100%. Let's see, now it's done. Okay, it is done. It is coming soon. Now we will add the code for more icons. So there are actually more icons here. So these icons they're just code. It doesn't make do much, but we have to make that, and then we will make the code for the next section also. Means the next section means this section also will make. Okay, so let us go ahead and do it. And after this ul, there will be dot of navbar icons. Okay, then img images bells. There is an image for bell, 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 img images user.png, user img images menu.png, menu is done. Save it. Let me see it. See, this big images will be there. We are going to fix it soon. Okay, so after that this div is there, this div, after that this div of navbar is also gone. Okay, so after this navbar is gone, in the hero only we are going to have that banner. So dot banner I'm going to do, and one see, we can do it as one as the left column, one as the left column, and one as the right column. So that's what we are going to do. Dot left column and dot right column. Okay. Dot search box img images search.png, search and input type is text. Type is text is more than enough, and we're not going to have some features. It's just a HTML CSS project anyways. img src is images features.png, feature. Okay, like this. Now if I will look here, everything will be very ugly, but this one and the image is also very huge. So now we are going to style them. So first let us do this number icons, height 25 px, and margin left 40 px, and cursor is pointer. Okay, cursor is pointer. So yeah, this all are fixed. Now I want some space here, like there is space. So navbar icon, let me select this navbar icon, and margin left is 40 px. Save it, and some more spacing is there. Okay, so now what we are going to do, I am going to do the banner. And display is flex, margin top is 80 px. Save it, and banner. So banner is the complete thing, so left and right column, this is the main thing. So banner is coming here. Where is my thing? Okay, banner. So see, it is coming perfectly. Banner, if I given, and then I will give for the left and right columns. Okay, so let me go here, left column, comma, right column, and flex basics. Okay, if you want to know more about flex, you can go to my flex basic tutorials. It is a very good series. You can go complete the series and you will learn it. What is flex basics? Flex basis is 50%. Okay, left and right column, so it is equal. Okay, so if I save it, now also it is not right. It is not right because the image is huge actually. So the way to fix it, although the flex basis was done, but the one of the way to fix the image is to make the width 100%. Right column image width is 100%, which is 100%. Save it, and see, now it is fixed. It is all fixed. So now what we are going to do, we are going to do that search box. Okay, so that search box width is of 45%, display is of flex, padding bottom is of 3px, and border bottom is of 1px solid. I don't want it black, I want a DDD. So what we are going to do, we are going to have a nice search box with the undercolor. So you'll see soon. Margin is 10 px, 0 30 px, 10 px, 0 30 px. Save it. So it is like this. So underline is also been there. Okay, so this search box, so this was the search image. Okay, so this search box, I will choose search box and img, height is of 25 px, width is of 25 px, and cursor is a pointer. Okay, like this, and see, now it is looking quite good. This image and all this is looking good, quite good. But now this input is there, search box input. So input is there inside this input. Okay, so search box input, and width will be 100%, and margin left will be 15 px, and font size is 17 px, and border will make 0, border will be 0, and outline will be none. Save it. Now we will, if we come back, see, now it is looking much good, but the search facility is also there, and that input box is gone, and the underline is only, it is like search facility. Now it is looking quite good. So now we are going to have the big text, like this is strawberry text and all these things we are going to have. And for that, after this is the left side only. After this text part, we'll have h1 straw. So we are going to have a span trick here. Okay, so what is a span trick? So because we want to have this of different colors, so we are going to have this berries h1, h3, happiness is a basket of raw berries. And let me do the span here, and let me move it here, save it, and it is looking like this. Okay, so it is looking like this. Okay, then we'll have a paragraph tag. Let's do it lorem maybe 20. Okay, lorem 20, yeah. And then after that, we'll have those two buttons. There are two buttons are also there. These two buttons we are going to make. So we're going to make these two buttons. So dot btn I'm going to make, and button dot primary button, learn more, and button watch video, save it. So everything is done. Now the thing is that we have to style it. Okay, so let us first style the h1, left dash column h1, font size is 100 px, column h3, font size is 30 px, and so see these are now looking big and good. Okay, now span, let color the span. Okay, left column span color hash f1 4a60, save it. See, now the color has changed. Okay, so this is how cool it looks. This is a very cool trick actually, very cool trick. I have used it a lot of places. Left column, and let's do the paragraph tag. Paragraph tag is like font size is 14 px, and color is hash 999. Okay, it's okay, and margin is 50 px and 0. And if I go back, so it is looking quite good. Okay, so now btn and button, and padding is padding. Now the button we are creating, the button, nice button we are going to give. Padding is 7 px, 30 px, and the moment we give padding, half of the things is already fixed. Padding is a very powerful thing. See, half of the button is already fixed with the padding. Okay, margin right 15px. Okay, so now after that, let give the outline as none. Okay, okay, some DTN button. Okay, no problem. Okay, so after that, border 1px solid hash fb 7381 and border radius is 20px and cursor is pointer and color is hash fb 7831. Background is transparent. Save it. Now if I go back, see, it is looking so good. Now one of the button, the primary button, we will make it a even much better. We will make it a very good color. Okay, so dot btn dot primary btn and background is, so let's just go give some good linear gradient here in background. Okay, linear gradient hash fb 7381 comma hash f1 460, like this. Box shadow is 0 to px. So you can take the box shadow from some box shadow generator also. It's, I have also not learned it. RGBA 248 comma 38 comma 103 comma 0.26. Okay, and color is hash fff. Save it. See, so nice, and this box shadow is looking awesome. It is making it appear on like it is coming out. Okay, so this is so good. So now we will have this social icons and the animation. So this is the last thing which is remaining. So let us go back here, and after this watch videos and all, we will have this social icons dot social icons image rc images slash twitter.png twitter img images instagram. If I'm giving it, it is not required in html css project to give this, but it is very much required in react project, so I generally give it self-closing tag src images slash pinterest pin erest pinterest and img images facebook Facebook, save it, and as you always it will look very ugly, so let us fix it. And fixing it, first thing is this social icons anyway. So social icons, and width is of 200 px, and text align is of center, and opacity is of 0.4. Margin top, let's have some margin top also because they were very close, 50 px, and cursor is pointer, save it. See, he's looking so good, but the image is still big, so we will fix it. Social icons, and mg, and height is of 20 px, and margin is of 0 and 14 px, and transition is transform 0.2 second, ease in out. Yeah, it is okay, we can give that ease in out. Okay, so if I go back, the icons are good, just I need the hover effect. Okay, social icon image I will take and hover. And hover, there is a very good thing here, there is a transform for there is another way we can do translate. Scale, there is something known as scale of 1.5, I will do and save it. And now if I go back to scale, it will become big. Okay, easing out is not good, let it be like this. It is okay. So this is also okay, this is also okay. So with this we complete our site, our strawberry site. The code for the same will be in the github repo at the below of this project. So hope you liked it, and please do subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed yet. And one of the reason for which I am doing this challenge, as a lot of people know, for me 100 days of code challenge is very easy because I am coding regularly for the last 10 years, even on a Sundays. So that is not a big thing for me, 100 days of code, but I'm doing this challenge to support my students who are, I'm a full-time trainer now. I have 16 years in the corporate world, and right now I'm a full-time JavaScript trainer. So I'm doing it to support I have many students who are doing this 100 days of code challenge because this is a part of our curriculum. So I am doing this to morally support them, morally help them, is they can see the trainer can also do this thing. And so I'm doing that, and beside that I'm, so this 100 days of code challenge is easy for me, but 100 days 100 days of videos challenge is very tough for me. I have never done this before. I have always for YouTube I have done at most 3 videos, but past 1 year I was doing only 2 videos a week. So that is very easy for me, but 100 days daily one videos, it's very tough for me also. So I have to prepare the project, do it, and all those things are there. So hope you like this, and hope you inspired to do the 100 days of code challenge, not the 100 days of videos, but 100 days of code challenge. So, and take your career to the next step. Thank you.